beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video again I'll be trying out a new mask from Walmart. It's from the same brand I reviewed few masks from. It's called Masqueology, and this time I'm gonna try rubber mask. So this mask has like two steps. At the top you can see a cream, and at the bottom you see the actual rubber mask. So you're supposed to apply cream on your clean face and then put on the mask, wait for 20 to 30 minutes, and it'll make your skin better. So this thing is like charcoal pore purifying rubber mask, and that's how the package looks like. And again, this is like $3.50 at Walmart. That's where I'm getting all my masks from. You have a huge assortment to choose from. I mean, you can choose based out on your preference, your skin type and your need, and this brand is like cruelty free. So as usual, you see all the instructions at the back, and all the masks are like one-time use type of masks, and they are very fancy because you need to do a lot of things. They are not just like your normal mask you put on and get free. No, they are always 2, 3, 4 depending upon which mask you are selecting. So there are a number of steps involved on how to apply these, and I think these are really good when you are on holidays and I mean you are resting after a tiring day in your hotel. Put on something like this. This is little fancy, and I think I would love to do something like this on my vacation next time. So today I'm gonna try this thing in front of you. I have washed my face, cleansed everything. Now I'll be showing you how to apply this. So you can see this is step 1, and it has like all the ingredients which are in this cream. So I'll be opening this up and putting it on my face. You can also use scissors and cut it like this. So now it's quite easier. So guys, that's how much cream is in this pouch. So I'll be putting it on my face. So I'm not like using any brush or anything. I'm just roughly using it onto my face. Wherever I think this mask would go, I'm putting this thing on. This is nice. And this doesn't smell like anything. So whatever is left, I'll just rub it onto my hand just to get the benefits. And again guys, this mask says that you need not to rinse, so it's good. You need not to go to sink to clean it off. So yeah, now this rubber mask comes in like 2 parts. So you have half for eyes and rest half is for your chin area. So we'll open it up and see. I think you have to use scissors to open this, and be careful not to cut the mask. So guys, that's how the mask is like, and you can see this is the same exact thing we had for eyes. Yeah, if you remember, I did a mask sometime back, so it had like gel under eye pads. So this is same exact thing. So I would suggest after applying this, lie down so that it's not like sliding. So guys, as you can see, this is not covering my entire face. So this thing is like still left, but yeah, rest everything is covered well. So what I'll do is I'll put on this mask for half an hour, and then I'll be back with you guys and I'll remove and tell you what I feel about it. Welcome back guys, and it's been almost 25 minutes. This mask is sitting on my skin, and now I'll be removing it. It looks so nice and tight, so let's remove it. Pretty simple to get it off your skin. So yeah, that's how my skin looks like just taking this mask off. And yeah, I'll just rub everything in. My skin do feel cold wherever I applied this mask on, so yeah, so it's like cooling, and my skin do feel more firm, more tightened and hydrated. So yeah, so guys, that's how my skin looks like after taking off this mask. And this mask says it tightens the pores. I'm not sure about that yet, but yeah, my skin do feel tight and more hydrated. I love the way my skin is looking right now. And while this mask was on, I didn't feel any tingling sensation or anything towards the starting, but towards the end, like 5 or 10 minutes before this mask was taken off, I was feeling little bit of tingly sensation, but it was not unbearable. And it has very light scent, which is like very cool and refreshing, and I enjoyed it. And it was like more kind of spa treatment where the scent was like relaxing, and I could even like lie down and close my eyes and feel completely relaxed. So yeah, this is a good spa kind of treatment at home, and I really love the idea of two-step, and it was not clumsy like other masks, so I need not to go into the sink and clean up entire thing. This was taken off quite nicely and without using much water, and my skin is looking very glossy and hydrated. I think doing my makeup over the skin would be amazing idea. And yeah, it looks more firmer. So those were my views on this mask, and I will catch you later with another video. Till then, bye bye. Please subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you later. Bye bye.